This new job servicing niche is the one you should start right now. It is the easiest one to handle and you do not need much after sales support. Zero product fulfillment effort and you're on the way in building your own digital assets that you can create passive income from. Because I'm going to show you how to make $110,000 per year selling digital downloads. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Selling digital products is one of the best ways to earn passive income and it's definitely one of my favorite ones because you only need to create the product once and then reselling it over and over again. But what kind of digital products that we should sell in 2022? Today, I will walk you through how I do my product research to find popular digital products and step by step how to set up your very own store. Based on my experience, the best platform to sell digital products is Etsy. This platform has good traffic and the listing fee is pretty reasonably priced, which is only at 20 cents per listing. The best part about this platform is that it has very high-end quality traffic. Before I start my Etsy tutorial, let me show you the potential of setting up a store on Etsy selling digital products. 23,904 sales up to date times average of $5 per item. They have already made almost $120,000 and this is in US dollars. Here is how I do my research in 3 simple steps. First step, I will go to Etsy and search for digital downloads. So from here you can see that there is a frequently searched terms list over here. And the first one that pop out is the wall art. So usually these are the ones that customers like to search. So this you can consider selling like wall arts or prints. As you can see, these searches are actually reason searches because you can see Ukraine over here. So there is a lot of people searching for digital downloads related to Ukraine. Next step, I will try to eyeball and see the results on the first page after the ads. So you can see that here, the first row are all ads by Etsy seller. These are the seller paying the advertisement to be on top. So after this, I will see if there are some of the listing that caught my eye. So this one caught my eye because this one has a lot of reviews, a lot of good reviews, and it is a star seller. These numbers over here actually indicates overall sales in the store. So this one actually caught my eye and this is a mock-up. So basically there are 2 types of digital products. One is the finished digital product and the second type is a tool for creating digital products. Wall arts are finished products and this type of mock-ups are tools for creating products. Both can be sold on Etsy and equally popular. Templates is another type of tools. So when you search template on Etsy, you can see that there's a lot of different type of templates like Instagram, Canva. So these are the popular ones that customers like to search. So let's say we go for Canva templates. So after the first row of ads, we can see an eyeball which are the ones that actually caught my eyes. So definitely on the first row itself, you can see that this store content design having 2 best sellers here, right? So these are the 100 Instagram inspirational quote pack. So this is a tool because these are templates. That means it is a customizable template and customers can actually customize these templates according to their liking and also according to their brand. Most of these templates actually can change the fonts and change the color scheme. And why I say this is a tool, because it is customizable and editable. This is the store that I want to share with you guys. This store alone has sold 23,904 sales. As you can see on this store, It has 150 items, and most of them are actually templates. Most of the templates, they are selling at about $5, $4, $9. Yeah, so $4, $5. So most of them on average is $5. Now this is the interesting part. It has 23,904 sales since they started on Etsy, which is last year. So it's just probably 1 year ago or less than 1 year ago, 2021. So they opened Etsy shop since 2021. And if we take on average 23,904 sales up to date times average of $5 per item, they have already made almost $120,000, and this is in US dollars. And this brings me to my third step, which is to model after successful store. So this is considered a very successful store. What you need to do is explore the store and get inspiration of what other products are sellable. To determine how sellable are the products, we can roughly see the number of reviews given on this product alone. So for example, if I take this one, this item, we can't really see how much is being sold on this item alone, but we can see the reviews. Like reviews for this item is 119. So based on the number of reviews is 1,057. So it's not bad item to sell. Let us check another Etsy shop, which is just now the mock-up shop. So this one has 41,788 sales. And let us see this product, this mock-up product, how many reviews are there. So the total of reviews for this shop is 6,200 reviews, and for this item alone is 564. So definitely this is something that you can recreate, but do take note that you can only get ideas from them and not copying their work, okay? To stand out on Etsy, you need to be unique, and it is actually against the Etsy terms that you're not supposed to copy the creator's work and sell over here. After determining what products to sell, then it's time for product creation. If you are a creative person and like to design, you can create the digital product yourself. You can easily create the product yourself on Canva. Each product only need to create once. Otherwise, if you are drop servicing, then you can start to source for a freelancer. I usually source mine from Fiverr. Let's say I want someone to help me design printable wall art. I will shortlist freelancers based on their reviews and sellers level. Choose level 2 or top rated seller. As you can see, most of them charge about $10 to $20. This will be your cost. Next, go ahead and engage the freelancer to design them for you. After getting the digital product, then you can now create a store on Etsy and start listing the product to sell. If you are new to Etsy, then you need to register an Etsy account. Then after that, you need to open shop. Okay, after open shop, then only you are able to add a listing. Now let me walk you through how to create a listing on Etsy. So this is a sample that I've created. This is the one that I'm going to sell as a video template. So first we need to design a thumbnail. So this is a thumbnail. So because it's a video, so I will put a video description over here and then another picture. So try to put as many as possible. Right now I want to show you how I create the listing. The first thing you need to do is you need to prepare all your thumbnails first. So the thumbnails that I've showed you just now, so some of the pictures that I have is this one. So this one, because I'm selling the Instagram video posts, so I've already designed this on Canva. After that, you need to give a title to your listing. So the title, I prefer to put in keywords, right? So the keywords that I've chosen will be the square Instagram video post template, animated video social media post, motivational quotes video, Canva template for entrepreneurs. So I'm very specific, and there's a character limit to this. Make sure that you use very keyword dense on your title. Okay, next then you can upload your photos over here, as well as upload the thumbnail over here. For the video part, because I am selling a video post template, I already created the video on Canva itself and I've uploaded over here. Next, you need to fill up the listing details. So just now, the title, this is a title that I was referring to. I think the character limit is about 30 characters, if I'm not mistaken. And about this listing, you need to answer all the questions. Okay, so this one, who made this, I will put the I did a finished product. Okay, take finished product. This is a finished product, and when I made this will be the year of 2022. This is the most recent one. And for the category, I will put there as templates, so people know that this is a digital download. And after that, for this is optional for the color, because it is actually optimized through color. And because the product that I'm selling mostly are blue and green color, so majority of them is blue color, so I will just put the primary color as blue and then the secondary color as green. So, but this is truly optional. If you can leave it blank if you want to, but I prefer to put it because I think this will optimize my listing. For occasion wise, I do not have any occasion unless your product actually have an occasion to it. Let's say your template is a birthday template or a bridal shower template. Okay, and then for the celebration, if there's any example like Mother's Day celebration template, and then you have to put accordingly. So for mine, it's more like an entrepreneur motivational template, so I do not need to put anything. And for renewal options, I prefer to put it automatic, so this listing will renew as it expires. So every listing is 20 cents. Every time you sold one, it will automatically renew for me, and 20 cents will be charged. Okay, and then the type, this type here, this is very important to put digital because this is a digital download. And then the description, I will put this, basically this is going to be quite standard for all my templates. I will show them what is this template for, who will benefit from it, and what kind of platform that is most suitable to use this template, and also how they can download this. The instruction is very important. So direction to access your purchase, you have to list it down. Okay, and the next one will be your text. So over here, the text, you need to put in 13 different texts. I like to put in those very relevant ones to my listing, which is a square, social media video, inspirational quotes, motivational quotes, aesthetic videos, entrepreneur, Instagram template, whatever you feel that is the most relevant one to your listing. And this one will help to optimize your listing. This is very important because the customers usually will key in the search bar these kind of keywords, right? Next, for the materials wise, I would prefer to put as Canva, but this is also optional because I use Canva to design, right? So my product is about Canva, so I will put there as Canva. And the next one will be your price. So price, for me, I'm staying in Singapore, so my currency is in Singapore dollar, but my store is in US dollar, so that international client can actually buy from me. All right, but it's shown to me as Singapore dollar. And the quantity wise, because we want to have the availability, so that your customers see that it is still available. So and I do not need to keep on renewing it, and I will just put a maximum amount, which is 999. Okay, personalization, I will off this unless when you are doing the job servicing and there is personalization to it, like your web services, then you can actually turn it on. All right, mine do not have any personalization at all, so I turn it off. And for the digital files, this one I would upload the file, which is the PDF file. Yep, and then you just need to click publish. So I have engaged my freelancer to design Canva templates for me, and this is for the social media use. And you can actually grab the link for your customer to download. So you just need to go over here, and there's a link for you to share link. There's a button for you to share link. So you just need to copy this link and put it on a PDF for your customer to download. To create PDF, you can actually go under Canva and design one yourself. It's very simple. Just pull out a document like this and then just insert a link. So just now you have copied the link from your Canva template. So what you just need to do is let's say you want to direct people to download from this text over here. Just need to right click and there's a link here. So you just need to click on it and paste the link just now that you have copied. So after that, you can just download this as PDF. So you can select PDF print and then just need to download. So it will look like this after you have downloaded the PDF copy, and this is a clickable link. So once you click on this, it will go directly to your Canva template, that is your product that you have sold on Etsy. To succeed on Etsy, you need certain marketing strategies, but I will leave it for my next video if you guys are interested to learn. This is my first time creating a detailed video on selling digital products. So do let me know if you guys want me to create more by commenting digital assets in the comments section below, and I will show you some of my marketing strategies in my future videos. And don't forget to leave your questions in the comments as well. And if you want to learn more about job servicing, I have more tutorials over here, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.